Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell crypto directly to your bank account on Zengo wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo wallet or your Zengo application. As you can see right now, I am met with an amazing user interface. Fantastic user interface, right? I really love the Zengo because it's easier for you, like it's very easy for you to navigate. All right, so and Zengo is pretty simple and pretty sweet. If you want to save crypto, if you want to send, sell, earn, swap crypto, Zengo is just that application for you. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to sell crypto directly to your bank account on Zengo. Now, right here in this homepage, you're gonna find a couple features and you're gonna find a couple icons representing diverse features. Now, check the bottom of your screen. You're gonna find different. You're gonna find five different icons. You're going to find home, you're going to find history, and then the middle icon that has the arrow upward, arrow downwards, and you're going to find settings. You're also going to find security. So go ahead and click on the middle icon, and once you click on that, it's going to take you right here to this window where you have an extended menu that says receive, send, buy, sell, earn, swap, and connect. So because we want to sell crypto directly to our bank account, so go ahead and click on sell. Now once you click on sell, it's going to take you right here where you can now select any of the providers recommended by Zengo. All right, or you can even swap to stablecoin if you want to do that. But then here are some providers: Ramp, MoonPay, Banxa, Coinify. So go ahead and click on any of the providers. So I selected Banxa. So this is going to take me right here, right there to the Banxa window where I'm going to see that Banxa account has been integrated into Zengo. So here you go. Want to sell a coin, right? So it may be here that's this buy icons tab automatically. So if it is in buy coins, ensure that it has moved from buy coins to sell coins. So go ahead and click on the sell coins tab, and it's going to take you right here to this window. Now go ahead and select the coin that you want to sell. So go ahead and click on that. The BTC is just here, and then the fiat currency that you want to get the money, or you want to transfer the money to. So go ahead and click here. You have this fiat currency. Just go ahead and select the one that you want. So enter the amount here. So click on the amount, and you're going to see the amount that you're going to receive in the fiat currency. Now here you have the selected blockchain, so it's Bitcoin, definitely. So this is the payments method, okay, and the payment method is bank transfer. As you can see, this is automatic here. So this is trying to let you know that once you sell coins in Zengo, it automatically sends the money to your bank account. So that's the bank account that is connected to your Zengo wallet. So you have to ensure that the bank account that is connected to your Zengo wallet is the bank account that you want to receive the money from once you successfully sell your crypto. Now go ahead and click on create order, and once you click on create order, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to follow some step-by-step processes. This one, you have to enter your email address, country of residence, and you can check the boxes after reading the on-screen prompts and click on submit my verification. After the verification has been settled or sorted out, it's going to take you to this identity, that's this identity option. So once you get to this identity, you're going to have to verify your identity using any of the security methods that are going to be shown as prompted. Just follow through. It's self-explanatory. After that, just go ahead and deposit, and that's just going to be it. This is how you can sell your crypto directly to your bank account. Now after selling and your sales have been completed and successful, you're going to get a mail by Zengo. Go ahead and check it to see that it has been successful. Once it has been successful, you're going to see your money in the bank account that is connected to your Zengo account. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.